Groundnuts are used around the world either as seeds, paste, oil or snacks. Processing of groundnuts into oil or snacks can be done industrially using machines or at home using artisanal methods. In this video, some women in Benin will show us how to get good groundnut oil and how to make tasty groundnut snacks. Some groundnut varieties produce more oil than others. Choose healthy and ripe groundnuts and dry them well to improve the oil output rate. Roast the sorted groundnuts to destroy the starches that retain oil. At the mill, loosen the grinding wheels and crush the groundnuts. Separate the groundnuts from the skin and the germ. Grind the winnowed groundnuts by tightening the grinding wheels to get groundnut paste. Add water and salt to the paste and knead carefully to get groundnut oil. Add a little bit of water to the oil and heat slightly to make it clear and so it will store better. Spice the paste as needed and roll to make snacks into the shapes you want and then fry them. By following these principles, you will get good quality groundnut oil as well as nice, tasty snacks that will sell well.